The hardest part of these trucks is the headlights are these two little metal clips. I'm trying to get you guys right above it. Damn, this one's in there. Hang on. Piece of crap. Such junk. Amazon quality. So really quickly, just how you know this works. This goes in here, right? The headlight would be here, it sticks back out. Once it goes in, there's a little groove, right? Your clip goes around that groove, sticks in there. That's why they're so hard to get out, because there's two prongs on both sides that grab it. So honestly, safe bet is to just order 4 of these while you do these headlights, but whatever. I don't really say a lot because some of these guys just ramble on and on, but because I switched out all of my lights to LEDs, this was the stock relay for the blinker, didn't work, and the new ones in there, back in there, you take the coin holder out, which goes right here, and then the drawer that comes out. Then you can reach back there and pull it out, and you just get one that says it's made for LEDs. They had it at a parts store, so I went ahead and fixed that. Alright, front bumper's all done. Back bumper's done. I let this stuff dry overnight. If you've never done Plasti Dip before, make sure it's dry before you touch it. We're gonna come back here, put the bumper on. All right, not bad for a Plasti Dip job. I'll take care of this eventually, but you know, for one, I don't know how to paint. For two, that's a lot of money. But if you look down on the bottom half, it's good, so yippee. So your screws are gonna go attach right here from the bottom to the top, and then there's one here and one here. To get the screws, you take the coin holder out and you put them up under right where I just showed you, right here. Oh, my bad. Take your frame, put your frame in, get these two screwed in first. You can see it with my finger, one right here and the other one's right there. That's where your screws are gonna go, okay? Don't mess it up, it's easy. Ooh, no, it's not. 13!
Today's episode is sponsored by Simple.
Josh.